Hi, I'm Bob Voss, also known as New Business Bob. Welcome to the New Business Bob Show. As you can see, I got a guest with me today, my friend Larry, the accounting guy. And today we're going to be talking about a subject that every new business owner should be able to write off, and it's called the mileage deduction. What do you think of that, Larry?
I think a lot of people should take it because it adds up very fast.
It does add up very fast. Now, last year, if I remember correctly, the mileage deduction was 56.5 cents. Or no, 56 cents, right? What is it this year?
57.5.
So it went up.
It went up this year.
But haven't gas prices dropped down considerably over the course of the last few months? And I thought these were based on gas prices.
That's part of the component. It's based on a number of different factors, and most recently, yes, the gas price has come down, but when these numbers are calculated, the gas prices were higher.
Now, I remember one year, a couple years ago, that in the middle of the year, the federal government or whatever changed the mileage rate.
That is correct.
Do you think that's going to happen this year?
If gas prices remain as low as they are, I might expect that they adjust that in July.
So you're thinking in the middle of the year, the gas prices might go down a little bit? Or not gas prices, but the mileage rate might go down a little bit.
The mileage rate might come down.
Okay, so you taught me a long time ago what all the things I have to keep track of in order to be able to claim the mileage deduction on my Schedule C. What are the things that I have to do?
You need to make sure that you have the date, the amount of miles driven, where you drove, and why you went there, the business purpose.
Okay, do I need the actual odometer reading of that? Because at one point in time, it just became easier for me. When I get in my car, I put the odometer reading down, and then at the end, when I come back, I put the odometer reading down again.
Sure.
That works?
That works. It's not necessary. You need to know the number of miles driven. If you have a trip odometer and want to set that, that's fine, that works. If you want to beginning and end, that works. In my accounting system, know exactly how far it is from my place to your place. I record that, so I know a trip here is X miles.
And so then at the end of the year, you just take all your business miles and they go into the second page, I believe, of a Schedule C, profit or loss from business, right?
If you're not filing a 4562, yes, they'll go on the second page of the Schedule
But for
C.
most of the people who are just starting out a business, they're going to do a Schedule C, right?
They're going to do a Schedule C, but if they have any assets, they'll also do a 4562.
Okay, so it does get a little complicated.
It does. It's supposed to go in one place or the other, depending upon whether or not you file that form.
But as an example, if you drive 10,000 miles a year for business and the mileage rate is 57.5 cents, you're writing off $5,750, right?
Which is $570 in tax savings if you're in the 10% tax bracket.
So this is a really big deal, and you encourage everybody to do this.
Absolutely. You're entitled to it. It adds up fast. Why pay? Why leave money on the table?
Okay, and what is a business mile?
So technically speaking, if I go to the bank to deposit a customer's check, that's business miles. Coming here to meet with you, business miles. Going to the office supply store to buy pads of paper, business miles.
Okay, but then there's this thing called commuting in there. So if these people, a lot of people are starting businesses as a part-time job, they can't write off driving to work then, right? Because that's a commuting mile.
That's a commuting expense. So from where your principal office is to your work or to a business expense, a meeting, like I said, office supply, bank, those are business miles. Going from your home to an office is a commute, not deductible. Going between offices could be deductible, but in a slightly different place, not the Schedule C.
So just keep track of this stuff, right?
Keep track of where you're going and why you went there.
And that's why everybody should be taking the mileage deduction as they start for new business. Larry, thanks for being here today.
My pleasure.
And thanks for watching this video, and thanks for watching the New Business Bob Show. Look for more because we post them twice a week, every week.